Hello, this is Corey Green, and this is our week 4 project. This week we were supposed to finish up and implement some screen changes. So without further ado, let me show you what my app does so far. So this is our splash screen, Lumberjack and Ninja Squid. Goes to the main menu, and you have play game, gameplay tutorial, and credits. So let me go to credits first, because that's the easiest to show right away. Built using Coco's 2D version 3.0. Sounds heard from Westar Music. All artwork made by me. So go back to the main screen. Let me go through the gameplay tutorial. Now that is basically a overlay over actual gameplay. So let me go ahead and start that. So the screen darkens and it highlights certain aspects of the game. So basically you're instructed to move to the left with this guy right here. So once you click on this arrow, it points to the next thing and highlights the next element which you're supposed to watch for. So watch for enemy, click on that, highlights the end, and get to the goal. Then it highlights the hearts. So basically hit an enemy and your heart goes down. When you have 0 hearts, the game is over. Hearts are worth 500 points apiece. For every second that goes by, your total score is subtracted by 10 points. So for every second that goes by, you know, your end score goes down. So clicking on it again will restart the tutorial. And you can click on Done with Tutorial to go back to main menu. So let me go ahead and play the game for you. So as you can see at the top, you've got a timer that counts up. And you're supposed to get around this guy. So, okay, so that screen comes up and says goal, and a sound plays and displays the final score, and then goes to the credits. So, let me go back to play a game and I'll show you the pause. So that's the pause menu. You can either resume or go back to main menu. Resuming starts over the timer, or it starts the timer up again. So yeah, every time you hit an enemy, he turns red, one of your hearts goes down, and you lose points because of it. So let me show you that real quick. So you have a lower score because of that. So let me go to some of the questions here real quick. Let me go ahead and stop this. So what did I find most valuable this week? I think basically doing like CC layers and labels and positioning of sprites I found most valuable. I'm pretty sure that I'm going to be using that extensively later on with making menus and such. What did I find most challenging? Basically just wrapping things up, finding all the loose ends. I still haven't implemented a second sprite, and I would like to with the goal object. I'm actually creating like a flag that simulates a breeze, and I would like to get that going. What could I have done differently if I could? I think just spending more time on the finer details. Like I wanted to maybe animate the guy, animate the squid, and so yeah, I think I could have used spent more time on that. List a few things that could use more clarification. There's just little tiny details this time around. I didn't have time to implement this, but I wanted to create a border around the timer. I wanted to do like I think it's called a stroke, like in Photoshop, to make it more bold. So right now it's kind of hard to see, but I think if I could actually implement that, it would make it a little bit better. Other than that, nothing really. I finished up some loose ends from the week prior, and I think I've got more of a complete game now. I actually have an end goal, and yeah, so that's my project so far. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will be talking to you guys later.